Hello everyone. In our previous video, we learned few features of PowerPoint using Home tab. I hope you have successfully performed these steps. In this video, we are going to learn use of Insert tab. Insert tab is used to insert table, pictures, shapes, chart and other objects in a slide. Let us start inserting all these objects one by one. For this, we have to click on Insert tab. First option is Table. Using this option, we can insert table in a slide. There are two methods to insert table. First is using the table grid and another option is using Insert Table option. So when we will select the number of rows and columns using table grid, you will see the table is inserted in a slide with a specified number of rows and columns. And the second method is using Insert Table option, which is in the menu. Using this option, Insert Table dialog box will be displayed. Specify the number of rows and columns. Click on OK button. For example, if you want to explain generations of computer to your audience, then it will be very easy to explain it with the help of a table. You can see a table is inserted in the slide. In the first column, I am writing generation period. We can use tab key to move my cursor to the next cell. In the next column, I'll write circuitry. Then third column is for language and fourth is for examples. In this way, we can enter data in a table. If you want to change the layout and design of a table, select the table. You will find two new tabs, Design and Layout. Use these tabs to change the design and layout of the table. We will study these tabs in detail in coming videos. Now we will try to insert next object, that is picture. Using this option, we can insert pictures which are saved in a computer. For this, we have to click on Picture option. You will find Insert Picture dialog box. Select the desired location, click on Required Picture. Click on Insert button. Picture will be inserted in the slide. Use arrow handle to resize the picture. You can drag the picture to change its location. When you will select the picture, you will find a new tab, that is Format tab. Using this tab, you can apply border to the picture. You can crop the picture using this crop option. We will discuss other effects which we can apply on the picture in coming video. Next object which we are going to insert is clip art. Clip art is a ready-made gallery of images in Microsoft Office suite. For this, we have to click on Clip Art option. In the search for box, we will write the related keyword and then we will click on Go button. For example, if I want a picture related to computer, then I will write the word computer in search for box and click on Go button. So the images will be displayed and we have to drag the image which is appropriate in the slide. Again, we can change the size of the picture and we can change the location by dragging the picture. Next object which we are going to insert is shape. For this, we have to click on Shape option. Select the appropriate shape which you want to insert in your slide. Shape will be inserted on the slide. Right click on it. You will see the option Added Text. We use this option to enter the text in the shape. A cursor blinking in the shape will appear. Type the text using keyboard. Like I told you in our previous video, whenever we are making changes in the presentation, we have to save it. So using shortcut key Ctrl+S, save your presentation. Next object is word art. Word art is the text with a special effect. Click on Word Art option. It will show you different word art styles. Select anyone. In the slide, you will see a box. in which it is written, type your text here. So delete this and write your own text. When you will select this word art, you are going to see a format tab by which you can apply different effects on word art. Like we can apply 3D rotation using text effect option. Next object which we are going to insert is video. We can insert a video in our presentation. Click on video option. You will find the option video from file. This option will allow you to add the video which is saved in your computer to the slide. You can see insert video dialog box is displayed on the screen. Select the location in which you have saved your video and then select the video, click on insert button. You will see the video has been inserted in the slide. When you will do slideshow using shortcut key F5, see the slide with the video. There will be a play button. You have to click on it and the video will be displayed. Similarly, using audio option in the insert tab, you can insert audio in the slide. Next feature which we are going to use is text box. If you want to add text on the picture or outside placeholder, use text box option and drag the cursor on the image. You can resize the text box using arrow handle. Type the text inside the text box using the keyboard. You can change the font color and font style using Home tab. Now we are going to learn how to insert chart object in the table. Like table is used to arrange data in rows and columns, in the same way chart is used to represent data in a graphical manner. For this, click on chart option. You will see different types of chart. Select the desired chart and click on OK button. You will see chart is inserted in the slide and an Excel sheet is displayed with the data of the chart. For making any changes in the chart, we have to make changes in the Excel sheet. I am going to change the values of x-axis and y-axis using the Excel sheet. You can see the same changes will be reflected in the chart. Close the sheet if you have done the changes. If you want to open the Excel sheet, that is data sheet, again, so right click on the chart. You will get the option of edit data. Click on it. Data sheet will be opened again. When you will select the chart, you will get 3 new tabs: design, layout and format. You will use these tabs to change the design, layout and format of the chart. Rest of the features we are going to learn in our next video. I hope you would have understood all the concepts very well. Try these steps. Thank you for watching my video.